Imagine your perfect life. What does it look like? Who's in it? What are you doing? Take a moment and let your mind wander. Picture yourself in your dream home. Are you lounging on a sun-soaked beach or nestled in the heart of a vibrant city? Who are the people that fill your world with love and laughter? What kind of work brings you joy and fulfillment? This isn't just a daydream. This is the first step towards manifesting your dream life. Dreaming gives us the blueprint, the design of what we want our lives to be. There's no limit to your imagination, so let it run wild. Visualize every detail of your perfect life and feel it in your very core. The power of dreaming is immense. It's the starting point of every great achievement. It's the seed from which the tree of your dream life will grow. Your dream life is within reach. All it takes is a bit of imagination and a lot of determination. How often do you believe in the power of your dreams? Let that question sink in for a moment. It's not about how often you dream, but how often you stand firmly in the belief that those dreams can become reality. That, my friends, is the art of believing. In the grand tapestry of life, our beliefs serve as the threads that bind everything together. They shape our thoughts, our actions, and ultimately, our destinies. When it comes to manifesting your dream life, a strong belief system is not just a good to have, it's an absolute essential. You see, the universe operates on a simple principle. It responds to the energy we put out. When you believe in your dreams with unwavering conviction, you're sending out a powerful message to the universe. You're saying, I am ready, I am deserving, I am open to receive. And trust me, the universe hears you loud and clear. But what happens when self-doubt creeps in? When the little voice inside your head starts questioning your worthiness or your ability to achieve your dreams? That's when the art of believing truly comes into play. It's about silencing that voice of doubt and replacing it with a voice of faith. It's about choosing to believe in your dreams, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Because let's face it, the path to our dreams is seldom a straight line. There will be twists and turns, highs and lows, moments of triumph and moments of despair. But through it all, it is your belief that will guide you, that will keep you moving forward, that will transform your dreams into reality. So how often do you believe in the power of your dreams? Every day, every hour, every minute? That's the frequency we're aiming for. That's the frequency that turns dreams into reality. Believe in the power of your dreams. They are not just figments of your imagination. They are the blueprint of your future. And remember, in the art of believing, there's no room for half-heartedness. It's all or nothing. So believe with all your heart and watch your dreams unfold before your very eyes. Scene script. Have you ever used affirmations to bring your dreams to life? Let's talk about the power of affirmations in manifestation. An affirmation is like a seed, a potent, small packet of energy that, when nurtured, can grow into a mighty oak tree, or in this case, your dream life. But what makes an affirmation powerful? First, it's the belief that fuels it. Think about it like a car. An affirmation is the vehicle, but your belief is the fuel that propels it forward. If you don't believe in your affirmation, it's like trying to drive a car with no gas. It just won't go anywhere. Second, an affirmation should be in the present tense. You don't want to affirm what you want in the future. You want to affirm it as if it's happening right now. Why? Because the universe responds to the energy of the present moment. So instead of saying, I will be successful, say, I am successful. Third, an affirmation should be positive. The universe doesn't understand negatives. If you say, I am not poor, the universe hears, I am poor. So make sure your affirmations are framed positively. Now let's look at some examples of powerful affirmations. I am attracting abundance into my life with ease and grace. I am in perfect health and my body is a vessel of wellness. I am surrounded by love and every relationship in my life is enriching. Do you feel the energy shift just by saying these affirmations? That's the power of words. They can shape your reality. So take some time today to craft your affirmations. What dreams are you nurturing? What reality are you shaping with your words? Remember, your affirmations should resonate with you. They should make you feel good, and they should align with your dreams. And finally, repeat your affirmations daily. The more you say them, the more you believe them, and the more you believe them, the faster they manifest. Your words have power. Use them to shape your reality. Are you ready to take action towards your dream life? Now, darlings, let's get to the heart of the matter. It's all well and good to dream, to believe, to affirm. But honey, without action, dreams remain just that, dreams. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a river. On the other side is your dream life. You can see it, taste it, feel it. But there's no bridge. Action, my dear, is that bridge. It's the planks of wood, the nails, the hammer. It's the sweat on your brow and the ache in your muscles as you build step by step towards that life you've dreamed of. And remember, it doesn't matter how small that first step is. Maybe it's learning a new skill or setting a new goal. What matters is that you take it. After all, action is the bridge between your dreams and reality. Start building your bridge today. Are you patient enough to wait for your dreams to manifest? This is a question we all need to ponder upon. Patience isn't merely waiting. It's about maintaining a positive attitude while waiting. And that, my friends, is where the real challenge lies. You see, the universe operates on its own timeline, not ours. It's like baking a cake. You can't rush it out of the oven. It has to rise in its own sweet time. Impatience can delay manifestation. It's like constantly opening the oven door, causing the cake to fall flat. Now let's talk about gratitude. It's about appreciating what you have right now. It's about acknowledging the blessings that are already in your life. Gratitude is the lens that helps us see the abundance around us. Remember, every day you wake up is a blessing, and every moment you breathe is an opportunity. So, be patient, be grateful. Patience and gratitude are the secret ingredients to a successful manifestation. Start practicing them today.